to do cold calling effectively, this is why it's so hard, is everything needs to be managed. Now, we'll get into what that looks like. First, attendance is huge for cold callers. Are they showing up to work on a consistent basis? We bonus on that. If you make it and you have perfect attendance, bonus time. Also, QA is big. So the other part of this is company culture. Do they like being there? Because that comes across on the phone. People talk about, oh, where are your callers from? Doesn't matter where the callers are from as much as it matters that they're happy, that they got some like spice in their voice. That comes through the phone. You could have someone in Ohio with the perfect accent who's slouched in their chair. Hey, how's it going? This is Brandon. And it's not going to work. People can feel emotion through the phone, and hype is what it's all about. Having someone who's smiling through the phone. And that is why you have to have consistent QA. If it's slacking, if your company culture's off, cold calling is going to suck, whether it's someone in the US or the Philippines. So listening to calls every single day, professional conduct, scoring on that, communication skills, simplicity, grammar, clarity, proper documentation, and auto fails. If they didn't get the disposition, if they were rude, if they tagged it not interested and it was interested, or the other way around, auto fail. So then we take attendance and then how they're operating on the phone, and we rank them. So we have an algorithm where it ranks their production, their attendance hours, and then gives them a performance percentage. And then we have the top agents of the month, and we bonus them too. So this is fun because it just gives them something to talk about, play around with, and we're just throwing money at them when they do good. This is such a key part of cold calling. It's not easy to be on the phone, and we love our cold callers. They're my favorite part of the team because they're what make us go. And so recognizing them and bringing them in as if they were one of the members that we're working with building stuff is very important. And that's what I think gets overlooked with cold callers a lot.